Hey everyone, it's Kevin and Louisa with the Pewter Palace and thepewterpalace.com, and we have finished a project that's been about a year in the making. We ran out of time when we left New York State in May. We have created stationary support arms. They come out, but they're fixed support arms for our rear rock guard that we repurposed from a front rock guard that we salvaged from a wrecked avion in Vermont. This rock guard has been truck bed lined painted. That's why it looks glistening. We also reinforced it a lot with aluminums up on the hinge area before we had that done. Now what we've done, this is part B, we have made these 10-inch straight supports that get clipped into the original Zip-D hardware and the original rock guard hardware inside. And these, we've done this so that we can have the benefit of having our jalousie window. You can see the jalousie window is fully deployed and open. And now Kevin's putting it back in again. And we can have that open, get all that beautiful cross ventilation without sacrificing privacy. Because once we pull just the curved window curtains around like that, no one can see in when we're at a campground. You can see, I'm on a little bit of an angle here, so I apologize for the rockiness. You can see that it's deployed down. No sun comes in, it's fully shaded, but we have that benefit of, and I'm going to come up underneath here, we have that benefit of having the ability to have the windows fully open. We've used the same system of latching, same latches as we do for the longer arms, support arms, when we want to have the rock guard fully open, which oftentimes we do if our view is beautiful. Nothing better than laying in bed and looking out and seeing that. Here's from another angle. You can see these are just short little arms. And Kevin's putting that, we measured it so that there's, plenty of clearance, but not so much that we sacrifice that, again, that privacy level. So once the curtain is drawn, just on those side windows, now we know some of the 32S models do not have the curved windows. You wouldn't need quite as much to do for it, but we really like the rear rock guard on the back. It protects this window when it's put fully down and latched in place. It completely protects these curved windows, which, as most of you know, are irreplaceable. They do not make them. You cannot get them. The only place you can get them is from a part of avion being parted out. So you do everything you can to protect them, and that's what our part B of our rear rock guard project was to make these short, we'll call them our privacy arms, so that we can still have the rock guard open, the benefit of the jalousie window being able to be opened. The curved windows are fixed, so it doesn't matter, and we can keep it like this. It is super sturdy. I mean, it does not budge, it does not move. And these are aluminum bars like we used for the longer ones that are about 30 inches, I think. Okay, that's our part B for our rock guard repurpose and stationary arm installation. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please like this video if it helps you out at all. And as always, we're happy to answer questions. Just drop us a line at thepewterpalace.com. Bye-bye.